Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I have a special guest star. He makes Mario Odyssey videos, and he's my best friend. Introducing to the stage, Keycaps.
What's up, brother?
Yes, this is Keycaps. This is him.
Yo, what's good, Mike?
This is him. We're gonna be spawning Lucy.
What are we doing today?
Spawning Lucy.
Again?
Yeah. What do you mean again?
I didn't do it with you, but like,
yeah, but you watched the video of me. You watched the video of me doing it with someone else. You didn't really watch the act. You didn't watch the video, but you watched like none of it. Watched like none of it. 50 subs equals a Gorilla Tag live stream.
Nice.
Yeah, so we're just gonna try to get to 50 subs. Because you need 50 subscribers just to go into, like, 50 subscribers just to get the live stream.
Wow, once you post this video, I'm just gonna make a post. See if my subscribers want to hear my, cringy voice.
Tell your subscribers. I'll tell my subscribers, because I have 6. I tell my subscribers to subscribe to your channel. Even though it's...
I thought they remapped this. Whoa.
They brought it back. Okay, let's go. Into the unknown. We gotta go over here.
Wow. Oh my god, this is an actual game?
Yeah.
I thought this was a mod.
No, this isn't the actual game. Spawning. Yeah, we have to find Lucy now.
Did she kill us?
Yeah, she's like in the mines. You can find her anywhere. She could be anywhere.
How do you escape her if we find her?
If we find her, she's gonna come out of nowhere every time and like grab us and throw us out the mines.
So is it scary? Oh
yeah,
God,
she's
yeah. Why did you do that?
What? This?
Pulled out your umbrella and scared that little frick out of me.
Alright. Let's see. Where could Lucy... Oh, yeah, this music goes hard.
Hey.
What? Boom, 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 boom.
This makes me calm.
Boom, 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 boom. Do, 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 do.
Hey!
You are a real OG if you remembered this, bro. PBBV's grave. This is like where this is a ghost grave.
That's not very nice.
Womp womp.
That's crazy.
It takes her a second to spawn, but if you see a skeleton, if you see a skeleton with red eyes, that's her. Like, it's like a black skeleton.
Is there like jump scares or like?
No. She grabs you though.
Okay, good. Get him back! Get him back!
He's mine! She should be here somewhere. She should spawn somewhere. I don't know where she spawns though. She could spawn anywhere, like anywhere in here, like anywhere in this bottom part of the mines. Not up there. Not up there though. Just making sure she didn't spawn over there again. Because if she spawned over there again. We've been looking all around for this black.
This on my channel because I forgot to press record.
You can press record now.
Nah, I'll just link the video to my post. Could be a big deal.
Hello, Lucy, are you in here? No. Do-do-do.
You look like a baby boy. What the heck? This is bass boosted? Whoa. I said,
Make sure she doesn't spawn out here, because that's a glitch if she spawns out here. It's so beautiful.
It is.
Bro, why does this say something on the leaderboard? Actually, no, it doesn't. Yeah, it says get out. What the skibbity?
Did we get out?
No.
Wait, does it only say that one?
Yeah, when Lucy is like here, she spawned. It only says get out when she spawned. We're trying to find Lucy right now, currently. So, the hell'd you? Oh, there you are.
I spin.
Wait. Oh, I thought that was her. I thought to say what? Nope, not here. Where the hell is she? Come out here. Come out. Fight me. Fight me. Who's Biggie Self crashed into the wall? Who's Biggie Self? It was you. It was your beat.
That's crazy.
You Discord mod.
That's not. Hey, why did the music stop?
Oh no, she's here.
Ah. No, but it was good music. Click. Oh my god, get out! My brother just went and come in. Get that veggie dance!
Now do the hanging. Now do the veggie dance. Now do the veggie dance. Yum yum, eat 'em up.
But you keep trying to light things on fire.
Fine. Want to be a hero for once in your life? You
For
can.
sure?
You could. You could be a hero for once in your life. Wait. Hold on. I have an idea.
Yeah.
Yeah, brother. This is monkey.
So monkey.
This is what we called a piano back in the day. But the caves are here now.
Where is she, dude?
Where is she? Oh shoot. We don't want to spawn. I don't even want to spawn her anymore. She doesn't deserve to be spawned.
Dude.
We'll just go do something else.
Sure. Ow.
I was about to say, if you're stuck in there, I'm... Woo. This is why you're basically my brother. Do 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 do. Make sure someone's probably gonna join. It's probably gonna be my best friend. Let me tell you about my best friend. Always eating chicken, always finger licking, always cotton picking. Black friend.
I was actually getting decent at the game.
But now you're not.
Then I quit.
Then you stopped, and now you're not decent anymore. Zipline. Oh, it's cotton picking black friend. Oh shoot, I can't even get up here. Watch this, watch. Bro, where'd you go? Oh, there you are. Bro really said, ah! Check me out now. Boom, bam, bada bop, boom, bam, pow. Bro said, check me out, and he couldn't even check himself out. That's why. No, I'm not trying to at least I didn't disown you.
Oh, ow!
That's why you should be Yeah, this is the most, that's the most, terrible thing about monkey tag. You hit things. And you're gonna hit things.
My controller on my controller.
That's wild. That happens to me, all the time. Woo!
I just know the basics.
Of the swingings.
Dude!
Watch this.
Go! No! Where's that music coming from?
Imagine Lena joins us.
You know, why Lena? I don't think she even has a video.
No, but just imagine she does. What would you say?
You know, she expects me to post her art, but she's not even subscribed, honestly.
Yeah, then why should she post you? Why should she let you post her art if she's not even subscribed to the channel?
Because I don't think she even has YouTube.
Exactly. She's a broke monkey.
I think she has strict parents.
That's wild. Me personally could never. They probably keep her in the basement. That is, bro, you suck. I'm joking. My friend, this is my best friend. I would never say he sucked. Not on camera.
Yeah, I get harassed.
Yeah, he gets harassed by me and McClum. If you don't know who McClum is, it's just an Asian boy. He has an Asian-like name anyway. I always call him Asian Egg Boy. Or Panda Express.
Oh, damn.
I'm playing and recording a video with my friend right now.
Can you fall down here?
So, maybe in a second, because I'm recording a video with my friend. Oh my god, I'm about to start flinging. Look, watch this, Aiden. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch your thighs. I'm about to switch maps again. I'm gonna go to mountains. The Shiver Me Timber Mountains.
Oh, I fell. Wait for
Again.
me, please. Ah.
Bro said, wait for me, please. Please.
I definitely missed.
You know, we're being watched right now, by people, my 6 subscribers. And BTW, guys, 50 subs equals a Gorilla Tag live stream to 1,000 subs equals face reveal.
Okay, I just need to get up there.
Huh? Can you just use the zip line instead of making it hard on yourself? Okay, I'm coming.
Where are you? I'm here. Anyway, what'd you say? What? You said 500 subscribers. What?
No, 1,000 subscribers equals face reveal. 50 subs equals live stream. Gorilla Tag live stream.
What the hell is this?
That's a Gorilla Tag plushie. If you ordered the plushie in real life, you would get a code, and if you put that code in, you would get that plushie in the game too.
Oh, nice.
Wait, I want to actually try this fireball out. Cause I have like a fire like launcher, but like, oh, it's on your hand and you get to like throw it. That's cool. Like no, you gotta like grab it out your hand and you just gotta like yeet.
Cool.
I get to throw fire.
Nice.
Come on, let's go. Mountains awaits.
What?
Mountain awaits.
Okay.
Awaits us. It awaits. Woo! It's cold here. Really cold. So, be careful.
How are we gonna end it?
We're gonna end it in a second. Woo! Woo! Broly said, "Who yeet?" Hey, stop it. Hey, go away. Or I'm gonna start throwing arrows at you.
That's not nice. Leave. Oh, you missed. Oh my god, you lost. Oh my god. Oh my. No.
I made you.
Stop! Get out! Oh no. Can you get out? Dang.
It's not hard.
Oh no.
Oh, Aiden.
Yeah, I know that. I know you have a crush on that girl, bro. Now get out.
Aiden.
Don't get closer. Get out.
He said, "Don't get."
Grab your phone. Leave.
No, I hit you. What do you mean
Get out
leave?
with that. I'm gonna hit you.
He said, "No, that's a threat." He said, "I'm gonna hit you."
I hate my brother.
You likewise. I hate mine too.
Don't say anything stupid. We're in a YouTube video.
Yeah. Don't say anything.
That's what I thought.
Yeah, that's what I thought. You stinky poopy nut.
Well, that was embarrassing.
Embarrassing.
He's coming back in. Why'd you do that so fast?
I don't know. I'm good. The noises you make when you're like, I witnessed you fall. Embarrassing.
That's not very nice.
Womp womp.
Ooh, slide.
No, I thought it was not. I didn't know there was a slide now.
So what do you think it was? I missed.
I got secret tunnel. I literally got it just now.
Whee!
See, you popped out right there. I'm gonna pop out somewhere else.
Whee! Hi!
Umbrella. You never hit me with my umbrella deal, bro. I'm hitting you so many times and you're saying leave. I didn't even throw anything and you got you. Got you again. Embarrassing. Embarrassing. Embarrassing.
Stop.
Embarrassing. Bro's really trying.
Oh, I got him.
I hit you with 2 snowballs.
Womp womp.
Set the game on infection
Why?
because it's fun. Set the game on infection.
Wait. I won't hold the ball. I don't have to hold the ball.
Womp womp.
Poor, bro.
Infection. Infection.
Why infection?
Because it's fun and you get to tag. And it's just gonna be us two. So
I'm
you're
not good. You're gonna
womp
destroy me.
womp. I don't care. Go.
That's not very nice.
Now put a 1 in the code. I need to see you join it. There you are. You're
What
tagged.
the hell?
Juked. Juked
That's
again.
not nice.
Juke 3 times. That's wild. You think you can escape me? What are you doing? I'm just gonna stand. You're just gonna
know.
stand still, aren't you? It's called the sideways juke.
I'm scared. I don't know how to play.
Gotcha. Right here,
Where are
monkey.
you?
Ooh, You missed. Woo!
No.
Aiden. 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 Keycaps. Oh, there you are. I thought you were, like, gone. I'm in a different map. I'm in a different map. I'm in forest. You could come see for yourself. I'm in forest.
Ow. What the flip? Well, this was all on the map.
See? Look, I'm in forest. Come see for yourself. See? Embarrassing. That's wild. Oh. You think you can outrun me in forest? Forest is literally my home. Oh, monkey. The hell was that? Please tell me.
I don't know. I don't know how to play this game. I'm just like doing random stuff.
It's wild. I'm a sweat in here just like you're a sweat in FNF.
What? We should do a Funky Friday video next.
Wild, wild, wild.
I don't even know what I'm doing. No, no. No, stop! No,
It's oh. It took you a little bit, but you think you can outrun me?
no. Stop, please.
Who's gonna make
Stop
me?
it.
It's called branching, Dumbo.
I don't know what to do.
Just kidding. Gotcha.
I'm just gonna give up whenever I get.
He's
No.
You're ground camping, you dingle nut.
I don't know what to do. I don't even know what ground camping is. I'm gonna go.
No, she's not even there. You like her or something?
Oh, I just
That
wanted
means
to
you
see
like her. See?
Seems cool.
You dingle nut, you like her. I'm tell Lena you like pixels.
No, I
I'm gonna tell Lena
don't.
you like pixels. They're pixels.
Lena's not gonna care.
She's not gonna care.
What am I doing? She's not gonna care.
I think I'm being. Imagine.
I'm going there myself.
Bro's sick and tired of Forest. He can't even get out. Well, I guess I'm gonna stay out here. I'm gonna go see Lucy. I can see you.